Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. It's Marlena Burton. I'm very grateful to be here. Thank you to each person that's already a part of our Full-Time Freedom Team or my Fire Your Boss Club. So I want to invite you to today's Zoom. It's Monday, January the 18th. We're having a Zoom at noon Central Time. That's 1 p.m. Eastern. Just go to this link, put in the passcode, and you're all set. And I just added a second Zoom for today. Take a quantum leap to full-time freedom in 2021 at 7 p.m. Central. That's 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Go to this link, put in the passcode, you're all set. I want to encourage you to invite other people. If you're international, the links are there as well. And this is not a business opportunity. This is about you changing your life. And so more than anything, I desire to empower people to be grateful and to really help other people, empower other people to change their lives. So here's the link. I will put it in the comments below, but just get with your sponsor or check your email. You might need to check your spam folder. Start checking your email every day, every week for updates. So we're all in this together. Let's empower each other. Let's encourage each other and change your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. My number is 618-223-6006. Have a fun day. See you soon.